My dearest child, I see the exhaustion in your spirit. You are weary of waiting, viewing your stillness as a failure or a mark of being forgotten in my grand, unfolding narrative. But I must speak this truth: waiting is never a punishment, it is the most sacred form of preparation. In the vineyard of my creation, nothing of eternal value is brought forth in haste. The majestic oak tree demands centuries, the diamond is forged under immense pressure and absolute darkness. Similarly, the mightiest qualities in your character, resilience, compassion, and true faith, are refined only in the furnace of silence and persistent trust. The pause you are navigating is not an empty void, but a sanctified space where I am meticulously re-architecting your soul. I do not only intend to give you what you ask for, I intend to transform you into a vessel capable of sustaining the greater, eternal blessings I have prepared for your life. Listen to the enduring wisdom of King David: wait on the Lord, be of good courage, and he shall strengthen your heart. Psalm 27:14. Waiting teaches you the profound action of absolute trust. It compels you to surrender your own timeline and accept that my plan is larger than your schedule. When restlessness threatens, quietly affirm this truth: I am resting in God's purposeful waiting. I am being shaped. Find your peace in the certainty: even when you feel hidden, my hand is actively weaving the tapestry of your destiny. When the perfect moment Kairos arrives, you will step forth not in weakness, but with the tested strength and luminous grace of a soul that has been purified. May my peace, which surpasses all understanding, guard your heart and mind. Amen.